Cora Saunders. I'm 24 years old, living alone in my studio apartment in Los Angeles. Getting my life together today, and by that I mean pretty much just deep cleaning my house and getting some exercise. I feel like if my house is a major mess, it can be a green and a red flag at the same time, because that either means I'm super busy or overwhelmed or both. Busy to me is a good thing, so green flag. Okay. Okay, it's 9:45 a.m. I'm gonna try to do this as quick but as calmly as possible because I don't want to feel super rushed. Because like when you do stuff really fast, it's just like you feel panicked and stressed. I'm not in a time crunch. I just want to get it done quickly. Put everything in its place, wipe down the counters, water my plants, sweep, vacuum, maybe mop, and hopefully it doesn't take me too long. Let's shoot for an hour, 9:45 to 10:45. I feel like that's pretty good. Spoiler alert, this took way longer than an hour. For some reason, I have this disease where I think that I can get way more done in a shorter amount of time, but I really do take a long time to do one task. I feel like I regularly make a gigantic to-do list for one day and think that I can get it all done, and if I don't, then I beat myself up over it. But that's something I'm really trying to work on. I've been trying to not hold myself to unrealistic expectations. And also that it's not all black or white. I don't have to be a superwoman every single day, and if I miss a day, that doesn't mean I have to stop everything and crash and burn in a downward spiral. So recently I've just been going with the ebbs and flows of life and go by how I'm feeling and not really beat myself up over small little things that don't even matter. Nobody is telling me that I have to do or be a certain way. It's all made up in my mind. I don't know. But I love before and after videos like this, so I thought I'd make one myself. Hopefully this will inspire you because I feel like it's such a rewarding feeling to sit in a clean house after you just spent 4 hours cleaning it. In a perfect world, I would regularly clean my house every single night, and normally I do every morning, but sometimes you can just get busy and it's not the main priority. That's what's so nice about not having any roommates, is that you can literally have dishes in your sink for more than 24 hours and no one is gonna have a crybaby fit about it, which I have been both people. I've been the person who's oh my god, why are you leaving your dishes in the sink for longer than a day, but also the person who is in a busy season of her life and just does not have the time or energy to do it right away. But going back on doing things based on how I feel and not what my to-do list says has actually been so freeing, because you would think it's counterintuitive to go off your feelings, because the motivational gurus there always say you just gotta do it. Consistency is key. No matter your mood or what you're feeling or what your thoughts are, you just gotta do what you need to do and blah blah blah. But I feel like that's a little bit toxic mindset for me. I'm realizing it's leaning towards the black or white mindset, if you're not all in, you're all out. And I feel like there's just an in-between, and it's what makes most sense for me, and I'm not in a constant state of stress because I have all this pressure on myself to be or act a certain way or do certain things every single day. I was just returning that pot to my landlord. We share a wall, but she's so sweet. She gave me that pot to use for my chili. And I love my landlord because they have 2 Chihuahua dogs and then 1 orange kitty, and I feel like I have my own pets when I don't actually. I have the benefits of the pets, but not the responsibility, which is really nice. I'm slowly but surely growing my plant collection, and it's so nice. I love my little plant corner. It's so cute. It's 10:51 right now. I still have to put away all my laundry, finish sweeping and mopping, clean the bathroom, take out the trash, and then I should be done. This is my landlord's kitty that I was talking about, and I absolutely love him, but every time I pet him, he hisses or paws at me and scratches me, even though he acts like he wants to be pet. It's so annoying. and he wants to come in my apartment, and I let him, but he's like scary. I don't know how he's gonna react. He's like a crackhead on the side of the street. Okay, now I'm moving on to the bathroom, which looks very intimidating, but it actually took the least amount of time. It was like literally 10 minutes. And this is the after. I was really dreading this part. These are all clean. I have to put them away. So after 3 hours, this is the reminder of what the before looked like. And then so now I'm gonna get ready to go on a walk. I wanted to get a little bit of exercise. I felt like that would really lift my mood and help me reset my day and my vibe. So I'm putting on a little bit of makeup to feel fancy, and then gonna head out the door. I like my outfit. Okay, before I did my hair and makeup, I was like, I am not feeling anything at all. But now that my hair is up and I got my jewelry in and a little bit of makeup, I'm like, okay. Google Maps says it's gonna take me 1.5 hours to walk to Errands. So let's see how long it actually takes me. Right now it's 2:02 p.m. Hoping to get there by before 3:30, like 3:15 maybe. I was thinking about going to the gym, but that feels like too much of a production to drive all the way there and all that. So I feel like a walk, and it's like I want to be outside and get some sun and like be a part of the neighborhood. I'm gonna walk to Errands and then maybe get a smoothie or something, I don't know, and then walk back. By that time it'll be ready for me to get ready for work tonight, and that'll be my day. Okay, let's see what birds and bees we can see, and butterflies and beautiful plants. Hopefully I don't Uber back home. I'll be really happy if I can walk to and from without bailing out. Okay, here we go. So recently I've been trying to practice being in the present and appreciating the things around me. So I wanted to see how many cool plants that we could find, and also any like old classic cars. So right here's our first classic car looking thing. I feel like it's so cute. I would love to drive that thing around. But also Southern California has just like such unique plants, and everything is so green, and I just love it so much. And when I grow up and I buy a house, I want my front lawn to be full of a bunch of native wildflowers and plants and things. And there's so many houses like that around here. I just love it. I literally ran out of sidewalk out of nowhere. I was like, what is this? I'm just walking on a busy street. Here's another old truck that's super cute that I would also drive. And this is the front lawn I was kind of talking about. I always say it's a good day if you can pet a dog or a cat, or say hi to a baby, or see a hummingbird or a lemon tree. I found this wallet laying on the ground, and the guy has his address on his driver's license, and it's on the way to Errands, so I'm gonna drop it off in his mailbox. It's like a 10-minute walk from right here. I'm wondering if he was like on a bike or something, because it was like in the middle of the street with all the cards everywhere. Excuse me? Is this 813?
Yeah.
I found this wallet. Is it yours?
Oh. Meredith? Oh, no.
That's the right address, right?
Yeah, oh. You know what? They were the old tenants. I think I can get in touch with them now.
Okay, you can.
Yeah, it's very generous of you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, they rented before us.
Perfect. Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah.
I ended up emailing the guy as well. I found his business card, so just to make sure that he actually gets the wallet. But we're finally to Errands. I unfortunately love this place. I feel like it's definitely a social experiment, but here's a little peek inside. It's kind of a zoo and kind of crazy. Sorry it's so shaky. I didn't want to like be like, oh, I'm a vlogger in Erewhon. Look at me. I got the strawberry glaze with no collagen because unfortunately collagen makes me like weirdly dizzy. But I'm walking back now on my trek. I can't stop now. My belly is full from the smoothie. I'm getting hot. 4 p.m. What in the hell? I really wanted to commit to the full entire walk, so I'm really proud of myself for walking all the way back. And I'm fine. Oh, my body hurts. That was just a cute little accidental 7-mile walk. Feels good though. 5:10 p.m. round trip. It was about 3 hours. I returned a wallet, made a pit stop at that guy's house. I stopped to get a smoothie. I walked down Abbot Kinney and I came back. Thank you so much for watching. That was my day today. I felt like I was in a little bit of a funk, but I'm feeling much better now. Now I'm gonna go make some money. I'm gonna sleep so good tonight. Okay, bye.